how to create a passkey on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon or your Bitmoji on the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here, if you scroll down under the additional services tab, you will see the option for passkeys. So tap on the passkeys options you see there and now you will see the option for add passkey. So tap on the add passkey option you see there, and with this simply tap on the add passkey option you see there and you will be required to verify it using your Face ID, your Touch ID, or your iPhone passcode. So go ahead and enter your biometric, and with this, as you can see, the passkey has been added. So this was about how you can create a passkey on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.